Let me ask you something honestly. Do you translate in your head before speaking English? Like, first you think in your language, then you try to change it into English, and by the time you're ready to speak, the moment is gone.
Yes, and it feels terrible. You know the answer, you understand the question, but your mouth just doesn't move.
And later, when you're alone, you suddenly say the perfect sentence, and you think, why didn't I say that before?
If this happens to you, relax. You are not slow, you are not bad at English. You just trained your brain the wrong way.
Exactly. And today, we're going to fix that. We will train your brain to think faster, speak easier, and stop translating.
And the best part? You can start doing it today, right here with us.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel where we learn English together, step by step, without stress.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Sarah. And today we're talking about something very important: how to train your brain to speak in English.
Because many learners say, I understand English, but I can't speak.
Yes, that's very common. You watch videos, you listen to podcasts, you read books, but when it's time to speak, you freeze.
Let me tell you something simple. Your brain learns what you practice. If you practice translating, your brain will always translate.
But if you practice thinking in English, your brain will change, slowly, naturally.
And today, we will show you how.
Let's start with the biggest problem: translating everything.
Yes. For example, you want to say, I am tired. But first, you think in your language. Then you translate, then you check grammar, then you speak. That is too slow.
Better way. Instead, train your brain to speak directly. Say, I'm tired. Repeat practice. Say with us, I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm busy. I'm ready. I'm happy. Mini challenge. Look around you. Say 5 simple sentences. I'm sitting. I'm learning. I'm watching. I'm listening. I'm practicing. Pause and try.
Curiosity loop. But here's the mistake most learners make. They try to sound smart. They use difficult words.
But difficult English is slow English. Simple English is fast English.
Technique 2. Think in pictures.
Now, let's train your brain in a new way. Think in pictures.
Don't think in your language. See something, then describe it.
Example.
You see a cup. Say, this is a cup. It is white. It is on the table.
Practice. Repeat. This is my phone. It is in my hand. I use it every day. Visualization. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine your room. Now say, I see a bed. I see a table. I see a window.
Now let's talk about a powerful habit, talking to yourself.
Yes, it may feel funny, but it works. Example. I am walking. I am cooking. I am studying. I am watching a video. Mini challenge. Say what you are doing right now. Start with I am. Pause and speak.
Engagement booster, shadowing.
Now we train your brain faster. Shadowing. Repeat immediately.
Shadowing practice. I am learning English every day.
I am getting better.
I am not afraid to speak.
I am improving step by step.
Technique 4. Use daily phrases.
Your brain needs ready sentences, not just words. Useful phrases. Repeat. Let me think. I understand. That's interesting. I agree. I'm not sure. Can you repeat? What do you mean? That makes sense. I see. Good idea.
Situation practice 1. At a shop.
Let's practice real English. Dialogue.
Hello.
Hi,
How much is this?
it's $10.
Okay, I'll take it.
Repeat. How much is this? I'll take it. That's expensive. Do you have another one?
Situation 2. Phone call.
Many learners feel nervous on the phone. Let's practice.
Hello?
Hi, is this John?
Yes, speaking?
Can we talk later?
Sure.
Repeat. Can we talk later? I'll call you back. Please speak slowly. I didn't understand.
Situation 3. Making friends.
Let's practice friendly conversation.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan. Repeat. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do? That's interesting.
Situation 4. Talking about your day.
Now, daily speaking practice. Example. Today, I woke up early. I had breakfast. I worked. I watched a video. I relaxed. Challenge. Describe your day in 5 sentences.
Situation 5. At work.
Simple work conversation.
Are you busy?
Yes, a little.
Can you help me? Sure.
Repeat. Are you busy? Can you help me? Give me a minute. I'm working on it.
Technique 5. Speak in small sentences.
Don't try long sentences. Speak small. Example. Bad. I would like to explain my experience in detail. Good. I worked in a shop. I learned many things. I liked it.
Curiosity loop. Here's something important. Fluency is not fast speaking. Fluency is clear speaking.
Confidence building section.
Now let's talk about fear. Many learners think, I am not good enough.
But that's not true. You are learning, and learning takes time.
Mindset shift. Say this. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I am becoming confident.
Daily 15-minute plan. 1. Listen. 2. Repeat. 3. Speak. 4. Practice phrases.
Emotional moment. If you feel shy, remember this. Every confident speaker was once a beginner.
And every time you speak, you become stronger.
Final speaking challenge. Answer out loud. What are you doing today? Why are you learning English? How do you feel now?
Smart outro. Before we finish, tell us in the comments, do you still translate or are you starting to think in English?
If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. You need brave English.
Keep speaking, keep practicing, and your brain will change.
See you in the next episode. Happy learning!